Now I realize I'm a week too late. Last week was Thanksgiving, but these are the type of people that I'm very thankful for. I'll be honest, I don't know if there's quite any sort of educational example that I can extrapolate from this, but if anything, we can just, it offers hope. I guess it's a message of hope because yes, these people out there exist. And if you look at this and just be like, this is the stupidest thing ever, then you know what? There is hope because you have just separated yourself from, I'm not going to say a ton of people, but people out there, you're already a step ahead of a lot of these people that are in the market. And you know, any little step you can get on people, that's a good thing. Now, if you are ahead of these people, don't get me wrong. I mean, there's still a lot of other things that you need to do, but at the end of the day, hopefully this offers some entertainment. And then, yeah, some hope that if you're looking at this and saying, I'm not perfect, you are well ahead of these people. And at the end of the day, as a trader myself, and as you, I'm assuming you want to be a trader or investor, these are the type of people that we need in the market. Because these are the type of people that are, buying the top, they're selling the bottoms, they're allowing us to make good trades. Have you ever been in the situation where you're like, I can't believe I got my shares sold at that point, or I can't believe I was able to buy shares for that great price? Have you ever been there before? I mean, these types of people are what allow all that to be happening, because as far as trading strategies are concerned, trading systems, I don't need any of that. I'm just gonna listen. Well, I don't want to ruin it, but let's just get to this message. Now, this is a private message to me on investorshub.com. I respectfully ask that you don't post your charts here. You appear to be completely biased. Not sure if you are short, as everybody claims, but either way, you clearly want to destroy the value of all stocks you post about. So please don't try to ruin this for the rest of us honest folks trying to make money. A little context here. I will put the link of the video that this person is talking about. And if you don't believe me when I say it was totally unbiased, like you would watch that and think, what? But if you don't believe me, if you think that maybe it was biased, then like I said, the link is down in the description. You can go watch the video and see if I was biased or trying to destroy the stock or anything like that. I'll let you, make that determination. But if you trust me and don't want to watch it, I assure you it was about as middle of the line or middle of the road as it gets. There was no bias either way. Yet this person, you can see, is just basing things off of, well, what other people have said. Some people say you might be short, and even if that's not the case, you still be trying to destroy stocks. And as I'm stumbling over my words right here, I think that's just because this person's thoughts are all over the place. Whether or not you're trying to short, you might be destroying the stock. If I'm not short, why would I be trying to destroy a stock? What does that help anything? That's what I mean with these people out there. There's these peoples out there, going back to my original point. System? Use a strategy? Have rules for trading? No. I'm just going to start to go by just what people are saying, what I think, even if it doesn't make sense. You may not be short, but you're still trying to destroy a company. Please, if you're watching this video, you're probably not. Stop and think about it. Ask yourself, why would I be wasting my time trying to, in your words, destroy the company if I'm not even short? How exactly would that benefit me at all? Again, I'm talking to you as the person that wrote this. How does that make any sense? Come on, focus on systems, focus on strategies, focus on rules, not conjuring up things that just don't make any sense. But let's keep on going with this message. I apologize again, but your posts and charts are clearly self-serving and not honest. You show up with your hidden agenda whenever this stock starts to go up. No need to respond. I'm putting you on ignore, as I've been advised to by most of the honest folks on this and other boards. All right, I take back at the beginning of the video when I said there was no educational examples here. I just noticed that if you are getting advice from people on boards, meaning message boards, it could mean social media, it could mean a free newsletter that you signed up for, please stop. These people are random strangers. They are on the internet. They can be pretending to be anything they want. And this is the whole point here is they've brainwashed you to think that, I'm shorting these penny stocks and that I'm trying to destroy this company, where if you just watch the video, again, for you as viewers, watch the video yourself. There is no destroying of the company. Yet this person has been totally brainwashed because they're listening to what they think are honest folks on message boards. And I'm telling you right now, they are not honest. Anybody watching this with the rational mind, if they watch the video and then watch what you're saying, they will tell you also, these people are not honest. They are leading you to believe something that is just not true. But here's a little hint. Those honest people, they're the ones, they're called pumpers. I'm sure they're the ones that are saying, hey, buy, oh, the price is coming down, buy more. You know, the shares are on sale. And when the price goes up, nope, I'm not selling, strong hands, strong hands. But they're doing the exact opposite of what they're telling you to do. So the point here, don't listen to random people. And that includes me. I am just some dude on the internet that's posting videos. Now, I would like to think that I've built up a lot of testimonials and such to give some credibility. But at the end of the day, don't just take my word for it. Like I'm saying right now, don't take my word that I wasn't biased in that video. You should go and watch that video to see if I was biased and trying to, ruin the company. Because, hey, at the end of the day, I could totally be lying about that because this is the internet, right? So don't go and listen to random people and just think that they're actually telling you what's going on. Because in this case, I can tell you, they are flat out lying to you, and the irony here is fantastic about you proclaiming I'm the dishonest one, and they're the honest ones because they're telling you that all these nasty things are going on. But to go back to the kind of original why I'm thankful for these people, again, people like this running around, they don't know what they're doing. They're just randomly buying and selling. And when there's randomly buying and selling, but you have a system in place, those are the people that, again, hey, I can't believe I just was able to buy that for that price. That was dirt cheap. That was such a great entry point. It's because of people like this that are just listening to others. They're not bothering systems or strategies, and they're freaking out, and they sell at the last time that they should be. So yes, I'm very thankful to the ignorant, the people that don't want to focus, they don't want to get better, they want to just cast random illogical theories out there. It's a great thing to have. And I'm very thankful for it. Again, if you're kind of laughing through this whole thing, that's great. Use this as hope. Use this as inspiration that, you know what, you're on the right path. I don't know where you're at on the path because, you still probably have work to do, but it's not like you're on the path that this person's on. That is the path of total hopelessness because it's just, I don't need to, beat the dead horse anymore. Hopefully you see how silly all that is, especially if you did watch the video that she's referring to. So, hey, happy Thanksgiving, even though I'm a week late. I'm thankful for people like this, but I'm also thankful for people that want to learn and want to get better because you can't have total randomness all over the place or else nothing would work. So you got to have some sort of structure. So hopefully you got a kick out of this. Hopefully you can learn something. And if you did think that listening to random strangers on the internet was a good idea, especially the message boards, especially penny stock message boards, please get it through your head. That's the last part that you want to be listening and taking advice from. So just keep that in mind. Take off the tinfoil hat if you need to.